Hello class, welcome to week 1. I'm going to go through some of the assignments and responsibilities for this week. The weekly screencasts I'll send out will follow this format. So first you've got there's an overview course introduction. There's a discussion board, which we call the icebreaker discussion board. And then there's a video called Ready, Fire, Aim. Kind of goes through the context of the course and some of the theories, the approach to learning. Very helpful video to get you prepped for the course. There's a quiz on the syllabus and project descriptions. Make sure you're clear. In order to make sure you're clear on those, it is open book, so you can refer back to the syllabus and project descriptions during that quiz. And then there's a scavenger hunt, which is kind of a grab bag of different questions. So let's go first to the discussion board, icebreaker discussion board. And the idea here is that you will first do a post about yourself, just a few short paragraphs, 100 to 150 words. Include a photo of yourself. Please follow dress and grooming standards. Another piece of advice is to make sure that photo is properly sized. On discussion boards, it will show the full size of the photo, so sometimes students post a very large photo. So check on the photo size before you post. And then give us a list of your interests. Tell us just a little bit about yourself so that we get to know each other. And then part 2 of that you want to complete by the end of the week is just to reply to several of your classmates' posts and get to know them. This is a huge discussion board altogether. Our individual discussion boards won't be this large. We're broken out into individual discussion board groups, but this one is all together intentionally. So it does get a little chaotic, a little hard to follow in the Canvas format, so be aware of that. And future discussion boards will be a little bit easier as we'll all be broken up into individual groups. But this first one is all together, so it's quite a large discussion board group. The second one I wanted to show you was this marketing video. I won't obviously show you the details of the video. You can click on that and watch it. But the idea is when it says Ready, Fire, Aim, we will get our websites launched much sooner than you are comfortable with. It doesn't necessarily mean that people will find you right away, but when we say Ready, Fire, Aim, it means get your site online, and then you'll learn when you receive feedback from visitors to your website. In contrast to a bricks and mortar store where you're going to have a grand opening and everything's prepped and polished on day one, online businesses aren't like that. So get ready to get that site online up and running, maybe before it's as polished as you'd like, because that's an essential step in learning how to launch an online business. And then these last 2 quizzes, I won't click on them and go into detail, but be prepared to answer questions about syllabus and project descriptions just to make sure you're prepared. Again, that is open book. The scavenger hunt is a grab bag of questions about Canvas, online business, some course information in there. If you have any questions about this, please reach out. I'd be happy to walk you through any details, talk through any business ideas or questions you may have. And to help everybody get started in the course.